Yun, no? Ayun na.
Ay! Oh. Review a new product today. It's called nice.
Say good morning, Clark. Good morning. Who's that? Who's that? Huh? Say hi, Clark. Look at you. You're already wearing swimming clothes. Ready ka na? Where's mommy? Where's mommy? There. Maya, bababa na kami. Para maglibot-libot ulit. Tapos, si Clark magsiswimming daw. Yung mami niya, nagpe-prepare pa dun eh. No? Let's wait for mommy. Ha? How was your sleep? Good? Very good? Ha? Pero bago muna lahat, kakain muna kami sa labas. Breakfast, quick breakfast. Tapos, lakad-lakad. Tapos, swimming na. Maganda yung weather ngayon eh. Sunny. Grabe, sobrang pagod kagabi. Tulog kaagad kami pagdating dito sa hotel. Nagbiyahe pa kami all the way from Sydney. And then 1 hour travel from airport to hotel by bus, sky bus. So I'll see you guys pagbaba namin sa baba. Alright? Pero syempre bago muna mag-vlog, hindi namin pwedeng kalimutan. Roll that intro please. Nga, mami. Yun, no? Ayun na.
Ay! Oh. Ika na, let's go.
Rumahan pa na po.
Bumaliktad yung M.
Where's M? There! Bababa na kami. Hey, Clark! Let's go to the beach? Yeah? Let's go! What's that? Dinosaur? How much? Punta tayo. May nakita si Clark na parang exhibit ng mga dinosaur pang bata.
Want that?
Do you want that, Clark?
Which one?
You want that?
This one or that one?
What do you want?
This one? Oh, yan daw gusto
You want that one? Hi. Can I get this, please? Yep. Bili tayong coffee, mami. Ha? Coffee, just chocolate sa'yo. Oh, hold your dinosaur, Clark.
Ha? Pang 4 years old yung damit niya pero maliit. Tignan mo isa.
Breakfast muna kami ni mami. Punta kami dun sa may laruan ni Clark. No, Clark, you wanna ride a dinosaur? Let's ride a dinosaur. Let's ride a dinosaur. There, oh. Yeah. May bigat na si Clark. Punta kami dun sa riding a dinosaur. Do you wanna ride a dinosaur? Ano? Yung Clark, oh. There, oh. There. Which one do you like? Which one do you like? Gusto niya yung parehas yung laruan niya na dinosaur.
Going to stop pressing, okay?
Oh.
And please just stay around the trees. You guys cannot go into this tree, so don't cross this line. Just
Okay.
stay. Alright?
So, how many minutes?
15 minutes.
Okay.
When time's up, we'll let you know.
Yep.
I'm scared.
You're scared? I'm scared. Grabe, layo na ni mami. Parang masarap i-try yun ah. Mamaya try natin. Natapos din. Saya na na. Punta na kami sa sa beach. Ito yung beach. Grabe, ang ganda dito. Sobrang ganda. Buhangin, puting-puti, pinong-pino, sobrang linis. Tapos, araw ngayon, nandun sila Clark. Pupuntahan ko na sila ngayon. Hi, Mami! Sanay na yung mga locals dito sa ganitong hangin. Mahangin talaga. Kami medyo hindi pa. Maglalakad-lakad muna kami. Explore muna namin tong place. Sobrang laki. Finally. Ang tagal namin naglakad. Sobra. Naghanap kami ng mga kainan for lunch. Habang naglalakad kami, si Clark nakatulog. Ito. Sleepy.
With the dinosaur.
Sleepy with the dinosaur. Ano yung order mo?
Donburi.
Donburi. Order ako ng ramen. Classic ramen. Nandito kami sa Japanese restaurant. Tapos, gyoza. Favorite gyoza.
So guys, I'm gonna review a new product today. It's called
Review mo na.
very in demand in this area. Ito palaging na out of stock. Sa airport maraming stock.
Oh, sa airport maraming stock ng hand sanitizer at alcohol. Ito na yung food namin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, there's a train. Train.
Open.
Ano yung nakita, Mami?
Rainbow!
Oh, rainbow! There's a rainbow flag. Rainbow. May rainbow kasi bumalik kami dito ng hotel para change natin si Clark. Tapos umambon. Umambon din kaya bumalik kami. Tapos may rainbow. Ayun o. Rainbow. 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 Ayun o, rainbow o. Dalawa pa nga nakikita kong rainbow eh. Ayun o. Oh, rainbow.
Isa lang
Ayun, isa siya, oh. Pero malabo.
Ay, oo, dalawa.
Malabo.
One,
Two rainbow. Two rainbow.
two lang. Bilis na yun.